Hi guys, welcome back to Success Corner. Even after a lot of protests and hunger strikes by the students, there is still no news of the postponement of either NEET or JEE. On Tuesday, NTA also released a notice that exams will be conducted as scheduled, and they have also given details for the release of admit cards. So let's see what NTA said and what are the SOPs. So NTA has said that the NEET admit cards will be released shortly. Usually it is 15 days prior to the exam date. So as the exam is till now to be conducted on September 13th. So you can expect it from anywhere between 28 to 1st September that the admit cards will be released. NTA is quite confident about its safety procedures, and it is also asking help from the local and the state governments so that the students who are coming from far off places are able to reach the center on time and safely. These are the reasons that NTA has said that the exams will not be postponed, and it has started to gear up for the safety conduct amid the COVID-19 situation. NTA has also increased the number of examination centers for both JEE Mains and NEET for JEE. It has been increased from 570 to 660, and for NEET it has been increased from 2546 to 3843. So this is a large number of increase in centers, and NTA is confident that this will ensure social distancing. Apart from that, there will be additional shifts in case of JEE Mains, but in case of NEET there is only one shift. So they are ensuring that proper sanitation of these exam centers is taking place before the students arrive to their exam centers. For proper social distancing, the number of candidates per room has been reduced to half, that is from 24, it has been reduced to 12. This will ensure proper social distancing, and NTA is confident that this will ensure the safety of the students. Apart from the increase in number of centers and the thermal checks, the exam centers will be thoroughly sanitized, and the centers will be provided with masks, gloves, hand sanitizers and disinfectant sprays. Proper gap will be maintained between two seats. Barcode readers will be available at the entry point to scan the barcode on the admit cards, and rough sheets will be already kept on the desk by the invigilator who are wearing gloves to ensure hygiene. Apart from this, NTA has also released some do's and don'ts and guidelines for the students. So if you have not already read those, so please go on the official website of NTA and read those guidelines. Even after the large number of protests and several people joining these, even Sonu Sood has also said in one of the tweets and asked the government to postpone it. International figures like Greta Thunberg have also requested the Indian government to postpone JEE and NEET, but still there is no positive response. So I would urge you that don't let this affect your studies, because in the end, if these exams are not postponed, you guys have to sit for the examinations. So so protesting for your rights is good. You should protest for your rights, but please don't let it affect your studies, because if the exam is conducted, I want that all of you get good marks. But let's hope for the best. Let's hope that your demands are met. But till then, these are the guidelines, so please check the guidelines. And guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe right now, and please like and share this with your friends, because these are the important guidelines, and the NEET admit card is also going to be released shortly, so please share it with your friends. Thank you.